Jason Garrett rode it, Mary Father drove it, Miles Austin aced it, Whitten Pro bowled it, and all the rest chased him. Ooh, there's a victory when that blows our Cowboys on up to Minnesota. It's high up, did you see? Well, Cowboys win, yeah, it's been nice to know ya. Don't let this big blue star or our smoking hot cheerleaders throw ya. We're the 12th men making noise for our Cowboys.
They completely shut down Donovan McNabb and the Philadelphia offense and expect to do the same against Brett Favre and the Vikings this weekend in Minnesota. Put it together for your Dallas Cowboys defense.
Jay Ratliff sacked it, Brady steamrolled it, DeMarcus Ware tackled it, Terrence Newman stole it, Jason Hatcher rocked it, Keith Brookings stayed it, Jason Williams stopped it, the 12th man hooray it. Ooh, there's a victory when that blows our Cowboys down to the Super Bowl. It's high on, did you see? Well, Cowboys win, yeah, it's been nice to know ya. Don't let this big blue star or our smoking hot cheerleaders throw ya. We're the 12th man making noise for our Cowboys. Yeah, 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 yeah. Go Cowboys, and don't forget to shut yours. Jason Garrett rode it, Mary Father drove